Bharat Buildcon is giving us NAREDCO NextGen developers platform where they're bringing up with new materials and new technologies which we can implement on our sites and projects. So essentially they're working in unison, achieving both their goals together. My name is Saumay Aggarwal. I am the General Manager at Signature Sattva. I am also a founding member of NAREDCO NextGen NCR. NAREDCO is proud to associate with Bharat Buildcon. I think it's very essential that emerging leaders participate in big organizations and events such as Bharat Buildcon because they are the ones who will lead the way in the direction of how the industry goes. For example, the youth perspective adds concepts such as technology, sustainability, which goes in hand with concepts that Bharat Buildcon is largely working on. So it's very essential that both NAREDCO and Bharat Buildcon emerge with young leaders working on this industry to work on concepts such as these. The youngster energy is very crucial to the redevelopment or the upgrading of the sector of real estate as a general. How we can essentially make us future ready to work on concepts such as achieving climate records or achieving sustainability or working with, let's say, AI in real estate. So that young energy and that mindset and bringing new concepts is very important to real estate in general. Something as simple as project management and site updates now conventionally is done over Excels or WhatsApp, and there is no proper recording or management. Whereas now technology and especially younger people are forcing this technology onto sites, which will help you with everything: your material management, your time and delivery of projects, no cost overruns, no wastage of any materials, which is also very crucial to the fundamental aspects of construction. So something specific like this is what young people are bringing, where they're integrating technology in every step of construction, whether that be procurement, site analysis, or surveys, or even delivery. NAREDCO NextGen is essentially trying to develop a community of future vision developers, real estate developers in construction. And what Bharat Buildcon does, it brings all the construction vendors and suppliers under one roof. So essentially Bharat Buildcon is giving us NAREDCO NextGen developers platform where they're bringing up with new materials and new technologies which we can implement on our sites and projects. So essentially they're working in unison, achieving both their goals together. Bharat Buildcon gives us a variety of vendors and suppliers under one roof, which essentially gives developer the opportunity. Because the biggest problem in the industry generally is the lack of information. So many different vendors exist, but as a developer, I might not know of. Different technologies, different materials, different ways of doing things. One more crucial aspect of Bharat Buildcon is also the panel discussions, which a lot of people overlook. But I think that is also crucial because it gives a platform for the people, the developers, the suppliers to come in conversation with the government. For example, policy feedback or various other kind of suggestions that the people in the industry actually face. For example, any challenges or generally the way of regulations. So I think that is also a very good platform for us as developers and suppliers to come together to form a conversation with government to resolute together and build this nation forward. On behalf of NAREDCO NextGen NCR, I invite you to step into the future at Bharat Buildcon 2026. We support One Nation, One Expo.